bedroom. So I wanted to show you guys how you can keep your kids room organized and clean, also very minimal but still beautifully done. So on her side where her bed is, we just have this beautiful wall art from the Dollar Tree. It says dream big, and that's something that I always tell her, to always dream big. And the mama elephant and the baby elephant, and that is so me, so protective of her. And I just love that clean golden white look. Now when we go on her bed is not perfectly made, it's simple, but it's a kid's room, and we're not here to be perfect. We're here to be organized and minimal. So she has her cute little pillows with her fluffy what is it called, bunny, that I got for her actually on Easter 2 years ago, but she still keeps it, and I'm so proud that she still considers that as something she loves. Now when we come to her small side tables here, as you guys can see where the bed is located, so the side tables does actually blocks the closet, but you know, we do with what we have. I just keep a small vase with florals on here, which I love. Now here she has her jewelry. She has like little jewelries that people give her. She's such a girly girl, which I love that because that's me. And then here she has her charger. I don't know where the charger is, but I keep her charger on her phone here. And then down here I keep her actually body lotion, and she uses Vaseline. As you guys saw, I don't know if you saw this, if you follow me on Instagram, I actually colored this. The original color was like a wood color, so I colored that, which I love the simplicity of that white. I just think that looks so cute. And right there we also have white and gold curtains with the gray curtain in the middle, just for blackout, sun blackout. But I love the airy one right there. So she told me she wanted a reading corner, so I did give her a reading corner. So I have a reading corner for her right there. Now in the reading corner, I placed butterfly going on the wall to just show that, you know, she can grow, and that's as much color I can take, so I keep that there. And also all her books are actually in her brother's room, because I have an organization system there as well, which I call the library. So when I tell them go to the library, they know where to go. But I put a soft throw blanket here from Ross, and that chair was actually for school that they gifted to them when we started online, you know, school. They gifted to them so that they can be more comfortable and relaxed. So then when we go into her closet, so guys, when it comes to organization, just bear in mind that no one is perfect, but just try your best. It doesn't matter if you're a minimalist or a maximalist or whatever people call themselves now these days. Everyone is an organization system. Without one, you will be disorganized and stressed. And I hate rooms with so much stuff. So here I kept extra, extra hangers for her, because I know when she's done wearing the clothes or when the clothes into the machine, I don't like seeing hangers like that. I like them being here. And if you buy extra clothes for her, we have to be realistic. I love buying clothes for my kids, so then she will have extra hangers to put that on there. I just got her this cap from Shein. She told me she wanted a cap, so I got her this cap. I keep this pencil holder right here because my daughter loves to draw and color, and she leaves it everywhere. So when I keep it there, she has to ask me for permission before taking it, which gives me peace of mind. So I don't see any scribble anywhere on the table, which will freak me out. So all her clothes are color coordinated. There's not much to see there, but it's all color coordinated, and I just love that simplicity of it. And down here she has two toy bins. This one I got from Ross, and this one also from Ross, but this one was older, and I just got her a new one, which I keep her her toys there, and it's enough. Do you see how everything fits in there? You don't need that much toys for kids. Organization, 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 guys. She loves wearing barrettes and bows and things like that. So I bought this picture hanger from, I believe, Ross or something like that. And then I placed all her things over here, but this actually came from Goodwill, if I'm not mistaken. And I just placed a little vase right here with some cute florals just for decor. her purse. The other one, I have no idea where she placed it, but she has 2 purses. And then her reach award, so I kept it down there, and all her varieties are here. And everywhere here, this is her shoes. So every shoes that fits there goes there. If it doesn't fit, it goes down there. So these are brand new shoes, which I'm keeping it for the fall and winter season. So I don't want her to wear, so I placed it there. And she got new Nike tennis shoes, so she's proud of it and keeps it there. Now over here, it's all her undies and, you know, leggings and things. So I don't want to show you guys. Here it's school uniform, just the skirts and pants, and then the shirt for the uniform, and clothes she can wear at home, and also PJs. I need to come and fold and organize. As you can see, this is like all perfect, but like when she starts wearing them, this is what it looks like. There's not much in this room, which I love. This it's a kid's room. It doesn't need that much. And when I was talking about scribble, do you see that? That's a scribble that I have to get rid of when I get time. So I don't like seeing things on table. Even my own decks, it's exactly like that, identical, and it doesn't have much, only my computer and a cute little flower vase. So I keep this here for her when they go back. When they go back to school and they give them laptops, or they tell us come back home or whatever. I pray to God doesn't happen. Or if she needs to do her homework, she has her deck, she's good to go. She keeps her extra scrunchies here to tie her hair before she goes to sleep. And I keep pencils, markers that I give her permission to keep here so that she can color. And then this is here, Choose Your Dream, which I love, also from the Dollar Tree. And this, I don't know where it's from, but she likes it, so I keep it here. And then here, I have like her poetry books and anything that she can use to color and draw on. She also has a journal, which I purchased for her. And I love buying books for my kids. I just want them to be able to read, because I didn't get that chance to do that. And it says Jeru poetry book, because she loves that. And do you see this? I have to put this in the trash because this is a mess. But yeah, and I just love this so much for her. Something that I did not get growing up, but she was able to get, which I love. Again, no one is perfect. I get this question all the time. It's not a question, it's a comment. Gladys, your house is never dirty. Your room is never dirty, blah, blah, blah. It's not true. No one is perfect. We all have dirt. We all have mess. My kids are literally, I have 3 young kids under 9 years old. Jeru's the oldest. She's only 8. She's a 4th grader. And then she can do this. Anyone can do it. Just let your kids have an organization system. If you put it in place, they will follow it. If there's no organization system, do not expect little kids to be organized more than the parents. It starts from the head of the household. And then if the head of the household is organized, the kids will follow. So it's a simple room, but it makes the room feel so big, so beautiful, at least in my eyes. And it has all the necessary things. Meanwhile, it's exactly what needs to be in here. A bed, a side table, and a desk for a kid who goes to school, and a reading corner. Everyone needs a reading corner. It's so fun. She sits here and her brothers sit with her and they read, and I think it's just so much fun.